Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, September 5th, and this is my analysis for the Euro US dollar, and we are on the 1 hour time frame to start with. So, on the Euro dollar, we have, well, first of all, we have non farm payroll news coming out today. Definitely a very big news event. Overall, I am definitely very bullish on the very high time frames, and because of that, I honestly wouldn't be surprised if today's news just caused the Euro dollar to just keep on going up. But if I'm basing this on nothing but the pattern, it looks like a potential 5 waves down, looks like a potential 3 waves up. It seems like we're actually set up for a move to the downside, which could be a wave C, could be a wave 3. Really, we don't know, and we would trade a wave C and a wave 3 exactly the same, so it doesn't really matter. And if this over here is the end of a regular flat on the higher time frames, like I've been saying, then maybe this would just be an ABC. It would go down, take out these lows, and then reverse again to the upside either next week or maybe later on today. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.